Welcome student, welcome to the online classes. Okay, today we are going to start a new chapter number 6, page number 32, and that is function. Okay, so in function what happened there? Normally function is a group of statements that perform a specific task, like okay, so it is a group of statements that all together do a task. Okay, means I just giving one example from your daily life routine, like you are wake up in the morning, then go to the bathroom, and after finish that you have breakfast and then come to your school. In school you all read that, you take the classes, and after that you go to your home. So that much task done by you. Okay, and that task means is a group, and it can be called a function. Okay, one more example, some calculation we are doing. I am giving sums 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. After that 5 is multiplied by 4, which gives 20. After that 20 is 20 is divided by 2. 20 is divided by 2, which gives 10. Okay, in some situations when we are need to do like that, where we are do sum also, multiply the result found from that, we multiply with another number, and the result found from this we divide it with another number. Okay, so we have to do this step by step, one by one, but I put it into a box. I put it into a box and named it some name, any name, M. I put it into within a box and named it M. Okay, so when I am calling M, I am just giving the name. What is the name? Name M. When I am calling M, what answer I found? It gives 10. It gives 10. When I call M, it gives 10. So repeatedly whenever I call M, the result is M. Means M do a specific task, just add two number, again multiply and divide, and after that the final answer will be shown here. So this M is called as function. This M is called as function. Okay, so group of statements, we can put many statements here also. Okay, and it perform a specific task, perform a single task. Next, the function normally followed by some arguments. Okay, argument, that is arguments within a parenthesis. Parenthesis, this bracket is called parenthesis. Okay, and which is input of the function. Normally function, we denote the function as a letter F, small f, we denote function as small f, okay, and a parenthesis, and within the parenthesis we give some arguments. Within the parenthesis we give some arguments, okay. So for example, function is written as, can be read, for example, f of x, okay, and this one is a function, and within that function symbol we can denote also with G or any alphabet, P, Gx, Px, Qx, small p, but all the alphabets that we use is small, okay. So these all are the functions we can write like that. Within that argument is x, we have to provide some arguments in a function. So here it is, x is a argument. Within the parenthesis, the brackets we use are called parenthesis, okay. So these are the some things that we have to know about the function. After that, we have let one function fx, okay. So the value of the function, what it will done, what is the task of this function, what is the task of this function, this equal to we make a expression or some multiple statements we can provide here. When we pass the argument, it transferred into the statements and give us the result, calculate there and give us the result, okay. So here I am taking fx is equal to x, okay. So when I give the value of x here, the value of x is transferred to here. Like if I write f1, it means that the value of x is 1. It means that the value of x is 1. So when I write f1, then it transfer, the value of x will transfer here to the statements, okay, and applied on that, means here the x is here x, so 1 x is become 1, f of 1 is equal to 1. Again if I write f of 2, then the value is reflect here also and it becomes 2. Okay, one more example, let f of x is equal to x plus 3. Here I take some one more things, add some things in the with the argument, okay. So here when I pass the argument here, it transferred to the x in the statements given. This is known as the function. The function working with the statements. I already explained you. Okay. So it transferred to here. So when I am calculating or I am asking what is f of 1, what is f of 1, means x is equal to 1. So 1 is passed here, means 1 is passed here and then plus 3 and the result is become 4. Okay, if I want to found f of 2, if I want to found f of 2, then what happened? The 2 is reflect on the x, and that is 2 and plus 3, which gives us 5, which gives us 5. Okay, so this is the working pattern of a function, how it work. Okay, so here we were taking only one statements, but it can be a group of statements. It can be a group of statements which together perform one task. Means that gives all the statements, the overcome through the statements, and at last it gives us a result. Okay. One more explanation. Let f of x is equal to f of x is equal to x square. The power of x is 2 x square. I think you are all are acquainted with the exponents chapter of your mathematics. So if I want to find 2 f of 2, then 2 is x is reflect here, but 2 is reflect here, and also here I give some brackets also, and also the power is at it. So 2 to the power 2, and the result become 4. The result become 4. Okay, f of 3 is reflect here, and square, which gives 9. 3 square, which gives 9. Okay, so like this a function do a statement, different functions have different statements, but within that we pass some arguments, and through the arguments it perform a task. Okay, we do not need to write again and again the steps, the statements. Somewhere we read some statements, some specific statements repeatedly, so we do not have to follow the repeated that statements again and again. We almost, or we have to make a name of that repeated statements, which is known as function, which can be the function, and when we require the group of statements, at that time we just call that function. This is the working of a function. Okay, so nice. So here this is the calculation how it operate on a or do on a function. What are the arguments? Okay, again I also give you more examples, also I explained you. Okay, so here I want to explain you that f of 4 is equal to 16, f of 3 is equal to 9, f of 2 is equal to 4. I write some values of I pass some arguments to the function 2, 3 and 4. When I am passing 2, the value is 4. When I pass 3, value is 9. When I pass 4, value is 16. So I want to know what will be the function. What is the function that works on this calculation? Okay, so we have to judge that what function is applied here. Means 2 square 4 gives 3 square gives 9, 4 square gives 16. Means every argument is square and then gives the result. Okay, means the argument is squared. Means here I write the argument is squared, x square. Okay, so like that you can also judge the function also, what is the working, what is the main statement of a function. Okay, thank you.